I have a new farmhouse style dresser that I absolutely love. This one is made of wood and it is really heavy. It does come in 2 boxes when it shows up. And my daughter and I want to say, we spent about half a night putting this together. She helped me out. Now, what's pretty cool is that this is pretty large. It's got a lot of space. So we got 3 drawers of the smaller ones on each side. We have 2 of the larger ones on each side for the bottom, so 4 total. And then we also have these barn doors, so we can open this up. And then now we have a couple adjustable shelves, so you can adjust this one for different heights. And right now I just have my safe and stuff because it was on my original dresser, so I just figured I'd just throw it in here for now. This one does have a nice deep top to it. To give an idea what it looks like with the TV on here, this one is a 55-inch TV, because I know some people are going to want to use this for their TV as well. Now, as for the drawers, I haven't put, oh, I did put something in that one. To give you an idea of the size of the drawers. And these do pop out pretty easily, to give you another idea of how deep these drawers are. Oh, and then for the bottom ones, I need to refold my stuff, of course. And then for an empty one, to give you an idea. But I do think it's a really nice dresser. I'm really into the farm style lately, if you do see some of the other furniture I've done recently. And it's just what I'm after at the moment. But if you're looking for something that's really nice, a nice wood dresser, it is really heavy, it's solid. It does take a little bit of time to put it together. You can put a decent sized TV on here. And overall, it just looks really nice. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.